Good morning everyone. Here I am with the very third video and the last video of the fourth chapter of Geography, Globes and Maps from Integrated Social Science Class 6. In this particular module, we are going to discuss the last two topics as we have already discussed in the previous module. Till now, we have already discussed about globe, its limitations, map, history of map, the basis of its classification, as well as we have also discussed about the types of maps on the basis of scale and functions, the components of map, that is distance, direction, and conventional signs and symbols. And today, as we have already discussed, we'll be discussing on sketch and plan. Let us move on to the next slide and see what basically sketch is. Okay, let me tell you. A sketch is basically a map without a scale. Okay, it is just a rough map which is drawn without a scale and without use of proper signs and symbols. Okay, let me show you the picture of sketch, how it looks like, and how we can draw a sketch. As you can see here, this is the image of a sketch. Okay, as I have already told that sketch is drawn without a scale and without use of proper signs and symbols. It is only a rough drawing of an area. It is mainly based on memory. Okay, let me tell you one more thing. The sketch is only based on memory and spot observation and not to scale. Okay, let us move on to what plan is basically. What plan is basically? A plan is a large scale map. Okay, what is a plan? A plan is a large scale map. See, an accurate map of a very small area which shows minor details is called a plan. And let me tell you, a plan is always drawn according to scale. Okay, a plan is always drawn according to scale, but the scale of plan is different from that of a map. We have already studied that in a map, what map represents? Map represents a large area, so it is drawn on a small scale, where 1 centimeter on a map may represent 100 kilometer on the ground, isn't it? But in plan, a plan represents a very small area and is therefore drawn on a large scale. Here, 1 centimeter on a plan may represent just 1 meter on the ground. Okay, let me show you the picture of what a plan looks like. See, as you can see here, this is a plan of a classroom. Okay, and as you can see here, it is written scale, that is 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter is to 1 meter, which we have discussed right now, that in a plan 1 centimeter on a plan 1 centimeter may represent just 1 meter on the ground. Okay, so this one is plan, and plan basically uses scale, as we have already discussed. What type of a scale does the plan use? The plan use large scale. Okay, this was all about plan and sketch. Let us sum up what we have read today. We have read about what a sketch is and what a plan is. Okay, on one hand, where plan is to design a building, a machine, or a big place, while a sketch is to make a brief basic drawing which is somehow based on memorization. Okay, a sketch is on one hand is a map without a scale, whereas plan is a large scale map. Okay, and scale is used for making a plan, and a plan represents a small area, therefore it is drawn on a large scale. Okay, a map shows either a large area without details or a small area in detail. A plan shows a very small area in great detail, and a sketch is a rough diagram drawn without a scale. That is all for today. I hope you like the video. Do watch the video and do read the topic from the book. Thank you and have a nice day. I call it a day.